Now, while for the markets, this is a bit of a slow day. Let's get a check on what's going on with the commodities. We have Manisha joining us. Manisha, you're looking at the coal prices today.
Oh, well, yes, we haven't touched on that one for some time, and the prices have been on an up move. We're trading at a near 2-month highs, but after a one-way higher side for the last 2 weeks, we're finally looking at some profit taking coming in for the prices. So it has been a 4% of a decline overnight in case of the coal prices. But when you look at on a week-on-week basis, we are still 8% on the higher side and 19% up in last 1 month itself. The support in coal comes in from the fact that there is a very strong demand coming in into the global markets, especially from Japan and South Korea ahead of the winters, and this is for a high-grade coal. Other thing is that for the winters, for fueling purposes, the demand for coal is higher than what you have seen in case of LNG prices, is the reason you have seen natural gas prices decline by nearly 10 to 15% in a matter of last week and 10 days itself. But the coal prices have continued to be on the higher side. A bit of a pressure that you are seeing in coal comes in from the fact that the Asian demand is slightly weaker. But Asia, contradicting to what Japan and South Korea buy, actually buys on low-grade coal in India and China, where we have seen demand decline for the month of November, and the scene is the same for the month of December as well, is the reason there's a bit of a profit taking. But the analysts will tell you that it is going to be between $130 to $150 a ton that the coal prices will continue to trade within.
Thank you very much for that, Manisha. That's the big story. Let's now cut across to stay